Hey friends, this is Rochelle from Sky Valley, and today I have some aerial footage to share with you. So this is really fun because you get to get a different view of the resort that you don't normally see. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like to come stay with us in your RV this coming season, please let us know. You can give us a call, you can book online, or you can email us. Or if you would like more information about home sales and getting a getaway home here for yourself, please let us know.